Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Arun K. Radish. This is my friend Akshay. He's my neighbor, and today I'm going to show you something special. That is like a pure village video. I'm going to show you because it is a. I'm from Kerala, and this is a video from Kerala. In my place, that is exactly coming in Thrissur, Kerala. I will show you the visuals that will be very fantastic sceneries you can see from here. You will get it from here and enjoy the video.